Welcome, my friends. I'm Miroslav, and today we're going to be making two incredible desserts with puff pastry. Stay with me to the end of the video to learn how to make homemade puff pastry. You're going to need 1 pound puff pastry dough, 200 grams cream cheese, 1/3 cup powdered sugar, 1/3 cup heavy cream, and 1 egg. We're going to start with making fill. It's pretty simple, just add all the ingredients and mix them with the mixer on a high speed. We're going to start with raspberry puff pastry dessert. Puff pastry sheet needs to be perfectly square, at least 10 by 10 inches. Then cut it right in the middle in the center to get 4 even squares. Then we're going to start with the first one. Use the knife or a small doll cutter. Cut the corners about 1/2 inch away from the edge. Make sure you don't go all the way through. We're going to need that centerpiece to be attached. Before you continue, make sure all the corners are cut. Then we're going to add about spoon and a half of fill right in the center. And just add 4 raspberries in the corners. And then fold each corner right to the middle. Then gently brush the egg yolk. Then we're going to add another spoon of fill right in the middle. And add 1 raspberry. And that's it. Preheat your oven on 360 and bake it for 15 to 20 minutes. Sprinkle some powdered sugar and enjoy it. Look how beautiful they come out. Now we're going to start with the second recipe. Again, we're going to use puff pastry square sheet, at least to be 10 by 10, and cut it in the middle and the center into 4 even pieces. Now we're going to cut the corners almost to the center, but not quite. Brush a little bit of egg wash so the corners will stick. Then grab the top right corner and fold it to the center. Then repeat for all 4 corners. Then we're going to brush the entire piece with egg yolk. Add 1 spoon with fill. And then we're going to add 4 blueberries in the center. And that's all to it. Preheat your oven on 360 and bake it for 15 to 20 minutes. Sprinkle some powdered sugar and enjoy it. Now I'm going to show you how to make homemade puff pastry. You're going to need 1.5 cup flour, 280 grams frozen butter, half a teaspoon salt, half a cup ice cold water. We're going to start by mixing salt with flour. Then before you use butter, you need to freeze it for at least 1 hour, and then we're going to shred it on top of the flour. Then mix it with the spoon and don't touch it with your hands. In the center, make the space with the spoon for ice cold water. Then add ice cold water, and I use my hand to hold the ice so it doesn't fall in. Start kneading the dough with just a spoon. Don't use your hands because your hands will melt the butter. It will take you time until it comes together and it looks like a dough. Spread some flour on your working area and quickly shape it into a cube. Cover it with the plastic wrap. Then you can tap it a little bit and to make it a little bit more square, and then put it in the fridge for at least 30 minutes. When you get it out of the fridge, again, put some flour on your working area, then stretch it to be about 1/4 inch thick and about 6 inches wide and 2 feet long. And then fold the top third down and then the bottom third up, and then turn it sideways and stretch it again. And then again fold the bottom third and the top third. Then wrap it again with the plastic wrap and put it back in the fridge for another 30 minutes. And we're going to repeat this 3 more times. And the 4th and the last time, we're not going to fold it, we're just going to stretch it to a square. The edges don't have to be perfect, depends what recipe you're using. If you need straight edges, just cut them off. I hope you enjoy cooking with me. Please click like, and if you're new to this channel, click subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.